Hi, I'm Chris with Saint-Gobain, and today I'm going to walk you through the standard operating procedure for masking a car for paint. Proper masking is an important step to ensure that paint and refinish coatings remain on only the intended surfaces and not surrounding areas of the car. Step 1 is always to clean the area with a compliant cleaner recommended by the paint manufacturer and ensure that the vehicle is thoroughly dried prior to masking. Use masking tape along with overspray sheeting or paper to cover windows, lights, and trim within the spray area. If needed, use fine line tape on contours where wider tape might be difficult. Using white Norton paint check paper, cover the remainder of the vehicle to protect panels that are not being painted from overspray. Using white paper will not distort the light that reflects into the paint area, which can happen with colored masking paper. Tires can be covered with Norton blue wheel maskers. Cover any remaining areas with Norton blue sheeting. Double check to ensure there are no exposed areas that should not be painted. Upon completion of the painting process, the masking tape can be removed. Remove masking tape at a 90-degree angle, which will ensure no adhesive residue is left behind on the vehicle. We hope you enjoyed learning the proper way to mask a vehicle to prep it for paint.